Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to achieve this Spider-Man look, keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Spider-Man mask slash half glam. So this side will be the glam side and then this side will be the Spider-Man. Now that I'm done with that eyebrow, I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop palette. And I'm just going to grab this black, and I'm not going to pack it, I'm actually just going to blend it out so it's not harsh. So now that I blended that in, now I'm going to pack the black on. Now that I packed that black on, I'm gonna go in with my James Charles palette, and I'm going to grab this shade, and I'm just going to pack that right on top of where we laid the black. Just like that. Going back in with my ColourPop palette. I'm gonna go back in with that black shade. I'm just going to repack that on top of my lid. Going back in with the blending brush that we used with that brown. Just gonna go in and blend it all together. Next thing that I'm going to do is I'm gonna go back into my James Charles palette, and I'm going to pick up this red shade, and I'm just going to blend that on top of the brown. And then as I blend that on the brown, I'm gradually blending it back into my brow bone. I'm gonna go back in with that blending brush and just blend this all together. Now that I'm done blending that out, I'm gonna go in with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to take this Fire Engine Red with the same brush, and I'm just going to add that on top of the red. What I'm going to attempt to do is do an outline. I'm only going to do like a piece of my face, if that makes sense. So I don't know how I'm gonna do the outline, but just know I'm gonna do it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to grab a flat brush, and I'm just going to paint my face. gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my James Charles palette, and I'm going to, with the same flat brush, just wiping it off, I'm just going to start adding the red. I'm gonna go back in with my concealer, and the reason why I left this white is because I'm going to create that eye. Charles palette and take that red and intensify the red. I'm just going to outline the eye. Alright y'all, so now that I outlined the eye, I'm just going to start doing the spider webs. What I'm going to do is I'm going to outline the whole mask. So now that I'm done with the mask, I'm gonna go in with my primer. Now that I'm done adding the primer, I'm gonna go in with my foundation. And I'm just going to bronze this side of my face. Now that I'm done with my face, I'm gonna go in with my eyelashes. Now that I'm done applying eyelashes, I'm gonna go in with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm going to be taking this red shade and I'm just going to sweep it underneath my lash line. I'm gonna go in with my mascara. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back into my James Charles palette and pick up this dark brown. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create some depth where the outline is. Now that I'm done, I'm going to go in with my lip gloss. And this is the final look. I hope you guys like this. If you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.